single slow note like the sea when it breaks. I feel you moving closer. I don't need light to find your warmth. If you want me, don't call with words. Leave a space inside your silence. I know you by your breathing, by the trembling air when your thoughts touch me. I walk through emptiness, yet I never fall. Your voice is an ancient road. Every touch becomes new music like blue guitars. Under the Naples sky, hold me this way without looking. My soul sees you better than my eyes. If you want me, listen close. Our hearts can speak without a sound. If you want me, come to me gently. Our night needs to be healed. And even without color, even without light, true love knows where I wanna go. In a quiet voice, I tell you the truth. I search for you in echoes. Now I find you in the hands that touch me softly. And when you cling to me, the whole world stops. We don't need sight, just the feeling of how much I want you. If you want me, stay like this, like the wind when it passes sweetly. Talk to me with your fingers, with the warmth of just us two.